Hello everyone, I am Barkha from InsurTech and Webner. Today in this video, I'm going to give you a demo of a powerful feature in our digital signature solution Esign Online. This feature is to embed one document into another dynamically before you send the final document for e-signatures. For example, in the case of insurance proposals, if the policy is for personal auto, you want to dynamically include another document in the proposal template that contains terms and conditions for the personal auto. Further to this, if the policy is of homeowners type, then you want to include the homeowners document, not the personal auto document. For this, we support an if statement with embed so that you can specify a condition on a parameter and include a different document based on the value of the parameter. In this video, I will show you how to achieve this. Let's head over to esign.winsurtech.com. To achieve embedding one document into another, the embed statement needs to be included in the template document. I need to create a template here on the Esign Online platform and upload the template document. But before that, I will show you the document that I have prepared for this scenario. Here is the document with the name Master Proposal, in which I will embed contents of another document, auto terms or home terms based on the value of the state parameter. As you can see, I have added statement in the master proposal document at the end of the page 3 and also on page 5. So we have specified a condition of the state parameter that when state is equal to NYC, then embed the document with the given code. Let's assume this to be the code for the auto document. Else, embed the document with the other code, which let's assume is for the home document. We can embed the same document multiple times, so I have specified 2 times here for this demo. These codes I am going to change in this demo to the actual codes of auto terms and home terms document, as I will show now how to get these document codes. Let me show you the other 2 documents that I will embed in the master document. This is the auto terms document and this is the home terms document. For these documents, I need a unique code that I will specify in my master document in embed statements. To get the codes, I need to upload the auto terms document as a template on Esign Online and then the home terms document as well. So I will go back to the website and click on the workspace menu, then select the view attachments button. So you will see there is an add new button in the corner on the right. We will click on it. So now I will upload the document and here I am entering the name auto terms. Now I will click on the submit button. So the document has been saved successfully. Again, I will upload the other document and here I will enter the name home terms. So this document has also been successfully saved. The next thing we will do is return to the view attachments link. So you will see the uploaded documents and their generated unique codes as well. I am going to copy these codes and paste it into my first document in the embed statements. So firstly, I am going to copy this code and paste it here. And here also. Now copy the home terms code and paste it here. Now I will save this document. Now to prepare the dynamic complete document, I need to upload this master document as a template. So let's go back and click on the create template. Now I will upload the master proposal document and I will enter the name master proposal. So you will see the document has been uploaded. Now we will click on the create document icon for this template. Now we need to upload JSON file which contains the actual value of the state variable. Let me show you the JSON file which I have prepared. So as you can see at the very top, I have provided the value of state which is NYC right now. So when I upload this JSON, the auto terms document will be included. Let me upload this JSON here. The document page will refresh. And as you can see, the auto terms document has been embedded under page 3 and also on under page 5. If you see that document is prepared as we expected it to be, you can save it and continue to follow the rest of the process to add e-signatories to the document and send the document for e-signature. But before that, let me change the state value in the JSON and show the else condition part. So I am changing the state value to CA and saving this JSON. So the JSON has been saved. To show the effect of this new JSON, firstly, let me discard this prepared document and go to the previous screen. Let me upload this new JSON now. And this time, as you can see, the home terms document is embedded in the master proposal under page 3 and also on under page 5. So now the next step is to save and continue. So we need to click on the save and continue button. My document will be saved. After that, we can e-sign the document as I explained in a previous video for online e-signatures. The process is the same. I hope this video was useful. I will be back with another video very soon. If you need any help with AL3, Accord Forms, AMS, CRM, PMS or any other insurtech solutions, please contact us at contact@winsurtech.com.